Ever felt like managing your YouTube channel is like trying to juggle whilst riding a unicycle on a tightrope? You're not alone. Running a YouTube channel can often feel like a balancing act. On one hand, you're continually striving to create engaging content that resonates with your audience. On the other, you're trying to keep up with the ever-changing world of search engine optimization, or SEO, to ensure your videos actually get seen. And let's not forget about analyzing performance metrics, a task that can sometimes feel like you're deciphering a foreign language. Then, of course, there's the constant need to interact with your viewers, responding to comments and messages to keep that vital audience engagement high. It's a lot to handle, and sometimes it feels like you're juggling more balls than you can keep in the air. But what if there was a tool that could help you keep all those balls in the air? Enter TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy, the best friend a YouTuber never knew they needed. Let's talk about this secret weapon in the world of YouTube. It's not a person nor a robot, but a fantastic browser extension that integrates directly into YouTube. Imagine having a personal assistant that helps manage your channel, making it easier and more efficient. That's TubeBuddy for you. It's like having an extra pair of hands that never tires, helping you run your channel smoothly without missing a beat. With TubeBuddy, you get to focus more on creating content and less on administrative tasks. It offers you a multitude of features that assist with SEO, video optimization, and even community management. In essence, it's a tool designed to make your life as a YouTuber simpler, more organized, and more productive. Now you're probably wondering, how does this magical tool work? Buckle up, because we're about to dive in. First things first, we've got to get TubeBuddy up and running. Now don't worry, installing TubeBuddy is a breeze. It's as easy as pie, or downloading your favorite song on the internet. Start by heading over to the TubeBuddy website. On the homepage, you'll find a big button that says, Install TubeBuddy. Go ahead and click on it. A prompt will appear asking for permission to integrate TubeBuddy with your YouTube channel. Click Allow, and let the magic happen. While TubeBuddy is installing, you might want to grab a cup of coffee or a quick snack. But don't go too far, because before you know it, TubeBuddy will be ready to roll. Once installed, you'll notice a new TubeBuddy icon on your YouTube dashboard. That's your gateway to the world of TubeBuddy. And voila, that's it. You've now got a powerful tool at your fingertips. Let's see what it can do. You've heard of keywords, right? Those pesky little phrases that can make or break your video's visibility? Let's dive right into how TubeBuddy can be your secret weapon for keyword research. It's like having your very own Sherlock Holmes, sniffing out the best keywords for your video. First, once you're in TubeBuddy, you'll want to navigate to the Keyword Explorer tool. This little gem is a powerhouse when it comes to finding high-performing keywords. Simply type in a word or phrase that's related to your video's content. Hit the Explore button and let TubeBuddy do its magic. TubeBuddy will then provide you with a comprehensive analysis of your keyword. It'll show you its search volume, competition, and overall score. It's like getting a report card for your keyword. Just remember, you're aiming for straight A's here. What's more, TubeBuddy also provides related search terms and the most used tags for the keyword. It's like having a roadmap to success, all laid out for you. Once you have your winning keywords, you'll want to incorporate them into your video's tags. TubeBuddy makes this easy too. Simply go to the video tags section when you're uploading your video. Click on Suggest, and TubeBuddy will suggest the best tags for your video based on your keywords. It's like having a personal stylist, but for your video's SEO. Remember, the goal here is to have your video found by the right people. The more your video's tags match what people are searching for, the more visible your video will be. And there you have it. You've just used TubeBuddy to find high-performing keywords and tag your video. You're now one step closer to becoming a YouTube superstar. And just like that, your videos are now SEO optimized. But wait, there's more. Welcome to the Control Center, the TubeBuddy dashboard. Now let's dive into the world of TubeBuddy's dashboard. This is your command center, a powerful tool that puts a wealth of information at your fingertips. The first thing you'll notice is the analytics section. This is where TubeBuddy really shines. It delivers a comprehensive overview of your channel's performance. From views and subscriber count to watch time and engagement, it's like having a magnifying glass for your YouTube metrics. But remember, these numbers aren't just for show. They're vital indicators of what's working and what's not. Use them as your guideposts to chart the course for your YouTube journey. Next up, we have the video management feature. Think of it as your personal YouTube library. It's where all your videos are neatly cataloged, ready for you to edit, delete, or even schedule. No more sifting through countless uploads. It's all right there, organized and easily accessible. Then there's the competitor analysis. This is your secret weapon. It allows you to peek into the strategies of other channels in your niche, discover what they're doing right, replicate their success, and avoid their mistakes. It's like having a roadmap to YouTube stardom. TubeBuddy's dashboard also offers other handy tools like A/B testing for your thumbnails, advanced scheduling options, and even a health report for your channel. What's more, TubeBuddy makes it easy to navigate through all these features. Its user-friendly interface is designed for both the tech-savvy and those who are not so tech-inclined. It's like having a personal assistant, always ready to help, making your YouTube journey smoother and more efficient. So there you have it. A tour of the TubeBuddy dashboard, your command center for YouTube success. With all these tools at your disposal, you can monitor, adjust, and optimize your channel like a pro. With all this data, you're well on your way to becoming a YouTube superstar. But let's not stop there. Let's keep exploring and uncover even more ways to make the most of TubeBuddy. Stay tuned. Scene script. Ever feel like you're shouting into the void? Not with TubeBuddy. Welcome to the sixth scene, where we'll show you how to use TubeBuddy to engage with your audience. This incredible tool turns the vast YouTube universe into a cozy gathering, where you can connect with your viewers on a personal level. Let's start with comments. We all know how important it is to respond to your audience's thoughts and questions. But when your channel starts to grow, keeping up with all those comments can feel like trying to catch a waterfall with a teacup. Here's where TubeBuddy comes to the rescue. TubeBuddy's canned responses feature lets you create and save responses to common questions or comments. So, instead of typing out the same answer 100 times, you just click and bam, there goes your well-crafted, thoughtful response. Now, you have more time to engage with unique comments and build genuine relationships with your viewers. Next, let's talk about tracking user engagement. If YouTube was a party, TubeBuddy would be the host who knows everyone's name, favorite song, and how they take their coffee. It keeps track of your most engaged viewers, showing you who's watching, liking, sharing, and commenting the most. This way you can give a shout out to your biggest fans or tailor your content to what your audience loves. But wait, there's more. Have you ever wondered when the best time to post a video is? Well, stop wondering. TubeBuddy analyzes your audience's peak viewing times and lets you know when to hit that publish button for maximum impact. That's not all. TubeBuddy also helps you keep your finger on the pulse of your audience's sentiment. With its sentiment analysis feature, you can see at a glance if your content is hitting the mark or if you need to switch things up. So, there you have it. With TubeBuddy, you're not just broadcasting to a faceless crowd. You're engaging in a vibrant conversation, building a community, and creating content that resonates. TubeBuddy isn't just a tool, it's your secret weapon for YouTube success. So, let's recap, shall we? We've journeyed together through the vast landscape of TubeBuddy, exploring its many features and benefits. We've seen how it simplifies the daunting task of keyword research, making it a breeze even for beginners. It's like having a personal assistant working overtime to help you get the most out of your YouTube channel. Navigating TubeBuddy's dashboard, we've discovered a treasure trove of tools and resources at our fingertips. From analytics to social media integration, TubeBuddy offers a comprehensive suite of features that makes managing a YouTube channel less of a chore and more of a joy. Engaging with your audience? TubeBuddy has that covered too, providing a platform for interaction that's as fun as it is functional. TubeBuddy is not just a tool, it's a game changer. It's a YouTube partner that empowers, simplifies, and enhances your YouTube journey. With TubeBuddy, managing your YouTube channel just got a whole lot easier. So, why not give it a try? After all, every YouTuber needs a buddy.